For years, SpaceX's Starbase in South Texas was shrouded in mystery, its sprawling complex tucked away on the edge of the Gulf Coast. The facility seemed to exist in a world apart, where only a select few knew what was truly happening behind the gates. Observers with cameras lined the nearby roads, hoping to catch fleeting images of rocket parts, towering cranes, or the occasional glint of stainless steel. Every new sighting sparked speculation and excitement online, but the real action was hidden behind massive buildings, where access was tightly controlled and security was ever present. The heart of Starbase remained off-limits to all but a handful of insiders. The public pieced together the story from distant blurry photos and Elon Musk's cryptic tweets, which often raised more questions than they answered. Rumors swirled about what was being built and how fast progress was really happening. Rockets seemed to appear almost magically, their construction process a black box. One day a new prototype would roll out as if conjured from thin air, leaving fans and experts alike to wonder about the secrets of its creation. Was it chaos or a sophisticated system? No one knew for sure. Even workers outside the gates could only guess at the pace and precision happening within. The secrecy fueled Starbase's legend, making it a place of myth and speculation long before a single starship reached orbit. The facility became a symbol of ambition and enigma, drawing attention from around the world. The focus was always on the rockets on the pad, not the unseen factory powering the entire operation. The real story was hidden in the shadows, where innovation and risk-taking thrived away from prying eyes. Unlike traditional aerospace giants with transparent processes and public tours, SpaceX operated more like a secretive startup, fiercely guarding its methods and breakthroughs. Outsiders couldn't tell if SpaceX was just assembling prototypes or building a true production line. The line between experiment and mass production was intentionally blurred. That uncertainty became a defining part of the Starbase story, turning the facility into a modern legend, a place where the future was being built, but only a lucky few could glimpse how it was really happening. Then, everything changed with a single video. In an instant, the world was invited to witness something that had been shrouded in secrecy and speculation for years. A behind-the-scenes look at the beating heart of SpaceX's ambitions. Elon Musk released a sweeping drone shot flying through the heart of the Starfactory. The camera glided effortlessly, revealing a world few had ever imagined, let alone seen. For the first time, the world saw inside SpaceX's main production building. The scale and complexity were breathtaking, a testament to years of relentless innovation. The footage revealed rows of gleaming rocket parts, nose cones, barrel sections, and engine housings, stretching as far as the eye could see. Each piece was a promise of future missions, a building block for humanity's next leap. This wasn't a workshop, it was a true factory, mass-producing components at a scale never seen in rocketry. The energy was palpable, with teams of engineers and technicians working in perfect sync. The video showed a clear, organized flow, components moving logically from station to station. Every detail was meticulously planned, every process optimized for speed and precision. It was a declaration. SpaceX had built a machine that builds the machines. Robotic arms and automated systems worked alongside people, blending human ingenuity with cutting-edge technology. The timing, after a successful test flight, signaled a new phase, operational readiness. It was a message to the world. SpaceX was no longer just experimenting, it was ready to deliver. For longtime followers, the video was a revelation, answering old questions and raising new ones about SpaceX's speed and efficiency. It sparked conversations everywhere, from engineering forums to dinner tables. The scale was staggering, multiple starships in production at once. The dream of rapid, repeated launches was suddenly tangible, no longer just a distant goal. Musk's vision was clear. Not just building a big rocket, but building many, quickly. The Starfactory was designed for iteration, for learning fast, and for pushing boundaries. The mystery was gone, replaced by awe at the industrial power on display. What once seemed impossible was now unfolding in real time, right before our eyes. The Starfactory had arrived, and with it, a new era in space exploration was just beginning. The drone footage revealed more than scale. It showcased the sheer ambition and relentless drive of SpaceX. It showed SpaceX's manufacturing evolution, a transformation that has been nothing short of revolutionary. Starship version 3 parts, lighter and stronger, were already in mass production, representing a leap in aerospace engineering. SpaceX's iterative design process was accelerating, with the factory keeping pace in real time. Engineers and designers worked hand in hand, constantly refining and improving. Dozens of nose cones and barrel sections lined up ready for assembly, each piece meticulously crafted and prepared for the next stage. Unlike traditional aerospace, where rockets take years to build, SpaceX was producing them like cars, with an efficiency that was previously unimaginable. The Starfactory uses custom robotics and automated welding machines, ensuring quality and speed. These machines work tirelessly, day and night, to meet the ambitious production goals. Every step, from raw steel to stacked vehicle, is optimized for flow and efficiency. The workflow is a marvel of modern engineering. The factory is designed for continuous movement, no bottlenecks, no downtime. This ensures that production never halts, keeping the momentum going. This is Musk's vision in action, to launch dozens, even hundreds of starships a year. His dream of making space travel as routine as air travel is becoming a reality. The video proved that mass production of rockets is now a reality. Rows of completed rockets stand as a testament to this achievement. SpaceX is building the future at scale, turning science fiction into science fact, one rocket at a time. The Starfactory's design echoes Tesla's Gigafactories. SpaceX brings the entire assembly process under one roof, raw materials in, nearly complete rockets out. This vertical integration gives SpaceX total control over quality and timelines. Moving assembly indoors eliminates weather delays, enabling 24/7 production. The Tesla-style assembly line means engineers and technicians can rapidly iterate and improve designs on the fly. Custom-built robots and specialized welding machines designed in-house streamline the process. Automation transforms rocket building from manual labor to a scalable, repeatable system. The result: faster production, rapid innovation, and a steady flow of new starships. It's the Tesla method, reimagined for space. SpaceX is building rockets the way cars are built, at industrial speed. The Starfactory is just one part of a rapidly growing Starbase ecosystem. SpaceX is building new infrastructure, like the massive Gigabay, to assemble multiple rockets simultaneously. Launch and test sites are expanding, with a second orbital pad under construction to enable back-to-back launches. More test stands mean more engines and boosters can be qualified in parallel. Every piece of infrastructure is designed to eliminate bottlenecks and support frequent routine launches. SpaceX is thinking system-wide, manufacturing, testing, and launching all scale together. By building out everything in parallel, SpaceX ensures the ground can keep up with the factory. This is how rapid, airline-like spaceflight becomes possible. Musk's goal is clear: make humanity multiplanetary with fully reusable rockets. Starship's Mars ambitions require a fleet, with tankers refueling ships in orbit. This only works if rockets can launch, land, and relaunch quickly. The Starfactory is the industrial engine making rapid reusability possible. With mass production, the cost of spaceflight shifts from building rockets to operating them. A large operational fleet needs constant maintenance and spare parts, something only a true factory can provide. Dozens of rocket parts on the floor signal a shift from precious prototypes to a sustainable transportation system. Each Starship is a unit in a larger network, kept flying by the factory's output. Without this capacity, the dream of routine, rapid launches would remain fantasy. The Starfactory is the key to making spaceflight as routine as air travel. The Starfactory marks a new era in aerospace: fast, high volume, and cost-effective. It breaks from the slow, expensive traditions of the past, proving that rockets can be built like cars. Vertical integration, rapid iteration, and mass production are now the new standard. Lower costs and higher launch rates unlock possibilities: space stations, deep space missions, and a permanent human presence on the Moon and Mars. SpaceX's industrial power sets a new benchmark, challenging the entire industry to build faster and smarter. The Starfactory is proof that Musk's vision is more than talk. It's happening now. The drone footage offered a glimpse of a new industrial dawn. What's being built in Texas isn't just rockets, it's the future of humanity in space.